In one of the previous videos, I was showing how to properly activate one weighted tuning fork. This time, we will do the same for a unweighted or non-weighted tuning fork, often called also acoustic or metaphysical tuning fork. Those type of forks are in 95% of the cases made from aluminum alloy. They are very lightweight, and the intention of them is to use them in the etheric field, so they are not intended to be applied physically on the body. I have now two mallets here. So the first mallet has a rubber head. Those give a very deep sound with very little overtones. And the second one, there is a wooden mallet that gives a more acute sound, and it has a lot of overtones.